guys, welcome back to my another video. Today I'll be doing a quick video on AWS Automation series where I'll be automating the Elastic IP using Python and 423 as a Python library from AWS. So without wasting much time, let's start with the video. So in this video I'll be covering up these three tasks. One is turning off the EC2 instance so that we can allocate the Elastic IP. Next one is list the Elastic IPs that's been allocated to your account, and next one is allocate Elastic IP to that specific VM. And the fourth one would be like if you don't want to use that Elastic IP, you can release the IP in that group. So yeah, let's straight away go to the scripting part. One more script, and I will name it automation elastic ip.py. So like in all videos, I will just copy these initial few bits here, and I'll be copying as well. Technically these would be same most of the time. And what I will do now is first, if you watch my previous videos, I've already done a video on turning on and off of VM using API in Python. So this is the function that I will be using. So rather than writing it again, I will just copy these and paste here. These instance IDs might change now. So let's variable. Cool. So what I'll do now is first I will get the instance ID. I'll go to my dashboard. Okay, so I've got two instances that I can use. One is terminated, so there is no use. I want it to have the ID. I will turn off the EC2 instance. Okay, looks like it's in stopped state already. Let me go to Elastic IP part now. Let me go here. All right, let me look at right here. Okay. I'll get one more. So altogether we got the Elastic IPs. Now we need these IDs, but we'll do it through the automation stuff. So I will create one more function here. IP itself. Then let me go to our good old friend Google. All right, what we'll do now is we'll get the Elastic IP. All right, that one. So because sorry, just a reminder, we already have defined that one. If you don't understand this, you need to go to my other videos where I showed you these configs in our on and off automation. One more thing I would like to add is you can avoid saving these things here. You can use environment variables for these. That's the right way to do it. And also in future, if you're ever using CI/CD pipelines, you will anyways use Vault out there, so you don't need to worry about the keys being exposed. For now, this is just a testing environment, and once I finish my tutorial, I normally delete all of these. So that's fine for me. So what we gotta do now is since I'm in this function, I got that one. Let me remove all these filters because I want all of them. So now let me call this function from here. So this is nothing but object-oriented programming. If you are confused in it, you need to watch my previous videos where I've explained how it's done. So I'm just calling this function, and let me go to my terminal. All right, so what happened now is it just gave us three public IPs or Elastic IPs that we have in our account. So let me assign this this IP address to one of our VMs. So let me grab the allocation ID. All right. So we got the allocation ID. I will name it as ID equals to that one. And all right, I will get one more allocation ID so that we got two VMs. Then we could allocate maybe the third one. All right. So let me. I won't be using it now. I'll be using it after some time. So now what I will need to do is I got the Elastic IP and its details. What we gotta do is then what I will pass here is instance ID. That would be the VM where we want to allocate that address, and we'll also need the allocation Elastic IP allocation ID. So name the allocation ID equals to none. So these are the two variables that I'll be passing it while calling this function. So let me call this function here now. AWS dot, and what else do we pass here? ID. ID because we already have it there. Next. All right. So I call this function, it goes here, and let me go to the top again and search for associate. Yes, that one. So let me grab this and make self.ec2 really define table. We won't need all of them. We will need allocation ID. So there, here. Now our good old friend, just will grab it here. All right, so we are doing that one. So that one should be that one. Let's see. Let's run the script now. Looks like we got 200, which is really good. Now what we'll do is we'll refresh the page. All right, now we got something assigned. If you go to my dashboard, and if I go here, all right, so this is allocated in this instance. This is the same instance I said we wanted. Yes. Now we got one more instance. So what I'll do is I will uncomment these two that I copied earlier, and say this IP ending with 406. Okay, let me run the script. All right, looks like it's 200 as well, so it's good. Refresh page. All right, the both of them are occupied now. Let's let me do one more thing. Let me reuse the same one of the above. I don't need those. What I'll do is I will create a list of ID, and since we have public IPs there, I just want to see when we turn it on if it works as expected or not. So turn it on. So what we'll do is AWS dot one. What do we need? Instance ID. It is all right. So let me run this script and hopefully instance will be turned on. All right, so looks like both are turned on. So let me okay. Now let's do one thing. Let's try to just use like go to my terminal. Okay. I can ping. So SSL AWS SCP 212. Yes. All right. It's good. Now what we gonna do is let us turn off the VM and let's release this IP as a part of automation. So similar to that one, what I'll do now is we'll turn off these sequences. Okay. Once again, if you didn't understood how I got it, it's all from my previous tutorial. You can always go there, or I will link it somewhere in the video. Now let me go to my thing, automation, Elastic IP. Okay, so previous was running, now it's stopping. Hopefully it stop. Check the status. I'll fast forward the video until the state isn't stopped. Right? Till then, I will write another script to release this IPs. And one more function, Elastic IP of these are the allocation IDs of that public IP. We will be passing in allocation ID to none. Good. All right. This is address. That one. Same process. Self32. Please. Allocation come from here. We just so we can see it clearly. Now let me call function and I'll be passing allocation ID. Okay, so these are in stopped state. Now let us release these IPs. We are doing with that one first, 406, ending with 406. So let these. All right, we'll be first trying to release this one. Running the script again. 200. All good. Let me now. All right, it's gone. So that means it worked. So similarly, let me do with FEC and that one, and that one. We'll rerun the script. 200. Okay, good. Now if I want to release that one as well, if I run it again, that should be gone as well. That's gone as well. Now if I go to instances, there are no IPs assigned. So yeah, this is the quick way to automate these, and the reason I'm showing you individually is because I just want you guys to understand how I actually did it. Now, like if you have multiple IPs, you can always use loops to do multiple IPs at once, or if you want to turn on the VMs, you can do all of them at once using a loop. So yeah, that's a very short video I tried to make Elastic IPs. That's all for now. I'll be coming up with more videos in the future. Thank you.